Hello everyone, welcome to Malus. Today we'll be reviewing the COROLLA Android head unit for Toyota Camry. This is a 2 GB RAM and 32 GB memory. We ordered this from AliExpress and this cost us around 250 Australian dollars. So this has got a 7-inch display, and these are the components that we get along with this unit. There are bigger displays also. As this car was an old model, we have opted for this display, which is a 7-inch display. These are the components. You will have the GPS tracker, the head unit, all the wires, the reverse camera, the aux cables, power cables. So let's see how we can fit this display unit into the Camry. Before we head into installing this display unit, please like, subscribe and share for more videos.
Okay, so this is the clamp that came with the unit, and this is the one what we removed from the existing unit. So if you see this, there is two slow like hinges kind of thing, not hinges, like two things here. So it actually should go on these holes here. So if you just place on that, just see from here and then just place it on. Yeah, so it goes here. And now you see this nut actually should go here. This is the one we removed from the existing one, so like this, and then it goes there. So before that we need to screw this one to here. Okay, so we connected the sidebars, we just fitted here, everything looks okay. And now we are going to connect all the wires. So first thing you need to do, just connect all the wires here. So when you buy the thing, if you specifically say it is for Toyota Camry, this particular model, whatever wires you get, that will be just kind of plug and play, so you don't need to worry about so much about that. So first thing you get, these are the wires that came with the unit, so I'm just going to plug in those here. Okay, so this is the power and main thing, so that goes here, so you just go and plug in here, that one. And then the rest of the things actually, so this is all auxiliary, video in, audio in, auxiliary in, all the sort of things. So we are not going to connect any of those things, so I'm not going to connect this for the time being. Let it be here. This one is the lead in for reverse camera, so I will show you how we are wiring on that reverse camera. And this, even though you are not connecting the reverse camera, you need to connect this anyway, because these two leads are actually the Wi-Fi and then Bluetooth antenna kind of thing. So this is mandatory to connect anyway, even if you are not connecting a reverse camera. So this goes here, just plug in that. Then we have two USB connectors, so just use this one here. So this is 4-pin. So if you see, there are two type of USB, one is 4-pin and then another one is 6-pin. So this is 4-pin, so I'll just connect to 4-pin. Then we have one more USB. What's that? Yeah, it's here. So this, you see, this is actually 6-pin, so you just go and then plug in here the 6-pin here. Okay, so that's all done. Now what is left? Now we have GPS camera, GPS antenna. We need to that wire through the hole, so we'll do that soon and then we'll connect it. And then yeah, these are all reverse camera and reverse camera things. The other thing, you need to plug in the antenna. So the antenna radio plug goes here, so you have that ready here, so you just go and plug in here. Okay, so just plug in. Now the other wires, so these two USB things, actually that should go somewhere down. So what we are going to do, here there's no opening, so we'll go somewhere here. So we'll put that through here or somewhere. Okay, so these are the two wires that we removed from the old one. So this is kind of just plug and play, so you just use this one here and then this just goes here. Okay, and then the second one just goes here. So that's all done. This one is probably for the steering wheel control. So for this particular model, there's no steering wheel control, so we are not going to plug in this one, so I'll leave that for the time being. Now the reverse camera, so we need to wire up the reverse camera. So before we wire up reverse camera, let's see how this works. Okay, so this is on. Let's say radio.
The Bayside.
Okay.
So this is the GPS antenna connection, and this is the reverse camera lead. So we have connected the GPS and the reverse camera. It goes through inside the dashboard and towards back for the reverse camera, and the GPS connection has been set up in here. So we are now going to connect it. That's where the GPS antenna goes, inside the through the dashboard. So now we are going to connect the GPS antenna. It goes to that point in the back. So this is the reverse camera wire. It goes through inside the panel here, through this panel and to the display, and we are going to connect that to the back of the cam. This is the connection for the camera. It's just a plug and play. We'll see if we need to connect any other wires in here, but this is the camera which will be fixed on the boot. Going to test the reverse camera now. There's a power cable which is connected now, and you have to connect that to the reverse light, so that whenever you switch the gear to reverse, the camera gets activated. So we have bought in the reverse camera wires through here and have connected it to the light, reverse light, and have through all this side have brought in the wires and have connected the camera in here. So we have connected the camera, and it comes just above the number plate. All the connections were given and it works perfectly fine. We can show you from the display now. We have connected the reverse camera, and when you put in reverse, the camera works perfectly fine. Now we'll have to fit all these components back and should be good to go. So once you put it in the reverse mode, the camera automatically starts showing. Here we are now placing everything back, just screwing it back. So we have now fixed the panel back, and the display is working really well. So as I said, if you put on the reverse camera, it shows the reverse camera. Sorry, if you put the reverse, it shows the reverse camera. So yep, so this is the display for the Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching Brucey Mallus. For more videos, please like and subscribe. See you in next video.